Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix weight copy into every row on ladder. So if weight values are copied into every row in the app, that's usually due to auto-fill behavior, UI glitch, or a login setting. So actually guys, first you will need to check for autofill or apply to all behavior. So ladder sometimes pre-fills weights across sets. So when entering weights, look for options like apply to all sets, and if it auto-fills, manually change each set after entering the first one. So this isn't always a bug, it can be a feature. So as the second step or the second fix, we have tapping on each set individually. So instead of typing once and moving on, tap into each row like set and enter weight separately, and prevents unintended duplication. Also guys, the really advice is to first close and reopen the app if that's not the case. So just go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just close ladder completely, swipe it up, wait 10 to 15 seconds and reopen and try log in again. That fixes the temporary UI glitches as well. And why not checking for an update for the app? So just go ahead and open your app store and tap on the profile icon or profile picture that's located at the top right corner and scroll down until you can see, or until you find actually the ladder app, and tap on updates if available. So bugs like this are often patched quickly. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.